Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can record your screen on the Samsung Galaxy A25. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and if you want to record your screen, you can use the screen recorder feature that you can access from the quick setting panel. You just need to go to your quick setting panel right here, and you will see this icon, screen recorder, and just tap on that if you want to record your screen. And here you will choose the record sound. You can choose none, media, or media and mic. You can also activate the show taps and touches feature. And once you're ready to record your screen, just click on start recording. Okay, this one. And the recording will be started. And if you can't find this screen recorder feature guys, you can edit your quick setting panel. Click on this pencil icon to edit your quick setting panel, and you can add the screen recorder right here. Wait, I'm going to click on edit, and okay, make sure that you add the screen recorder so you can easily access it from the quick setting panel. Okay, and you can also set the screen recorder before you use it. You can tap and hold on the screen recorder feature, and here you can set it guys. You can set the screenshots and also the screen recordings. For example, the video quality, you can choose the video quality here before you use the screen recorder, and choose the video size, the ZLV video size, and show tabs and touches. And here you can choose where you want to save the screen recording. Okay, and I think I have already explained about how to record on the Samsung Galaxy phone. However guys, if you record your screen using the screen recorder feature, the volume is not that good. So I prefer using the X Recorder, the application which I installed from the Play Store. This one, guys, because this application give me better audio or better sound for my screen recorder. I mean, for my screen recording. Okay guys, and that's how you can record screen on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.